Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming to my channel. Very good morning, very well Monday morning, and trading week ahead. So today I'm gonna give my analysis on the AUXAD index, which is the Australian 200. And before I do that, I'll give you a disclaimer that it's completely my own analysis, and I'm not liable to any profits or losses based upon the trades which you take upon my analysis. So it's completely upon your discretion. So let's go and do some analysis here. So let's go to the 4-hour chart first. So from the 4-hour chart, we can devise that, it's been on a good downtrend lately. So we're getting a good number of, we saw a bit of a range here, a bit of consolidation, then lower low, lower high, then again lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it's been a good downtrend at the moment. Then we look at the 1 hour now. We go to the 1 hour chart. And we see a similar phenomena here. Again, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then we see a bit of a range here. But if you look here, there's something interesting here. Um, After this lower low, we had a bit of a lower high, but didn't break the this lower low here. So there was a bit of a bullish momentum here. But again, we had a big lower low here. So overall, we can devise that the market is still in a downtrend at the moment. Go at the 15-minute chart. From the 15-minute, we can devise that, again, it's in a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then again, we see a bit of a ranging situation here. But again, we had a lower low, which broke the last lower low. So overall, the market is in a good downtrend situation here. Uh, but if I just go to the one, I want to show you something. And we see that the buyers are we're having good support here actually. Before I do that, you can see that we're having good support at this level. Let's discuss the levels first. So the top level is 7215 to 7207, 7180 to 7167, 7118 to 7100. And if we have a look here, we see a good amount of support and good amount of touches based upon on this level, right? So the sellers are trying hard, but they couldn't break this level, and the buyers are showing good signs of an upward movement to happen soon. But if you look at the 1 hour chart now, and we draw a trend line here, right? You can see a good amount of resistance on this chart here, on this 1 hour chart. So until it breaks this barrier, I wouldn't go for a long trade. So even if you look at the RSI, I just read this RSI is showing good strength of an upward movement here, but still I would just wait for this barrier to be broken. So if I have to take a trade, so on the then on the upside, then I would try to have a break, a bit of a retest, and then move to this level, right? So our first target would be at this level, and we hope to break this resistance here. And suppose if it breaks this resistance, then we can again expect to break this resistance. We give a retest, and then take our second target here at 72045 to 7216 level. So that's a good one here. And but I suppose if it tries to break this support here, then I would again expect to get our target here, and we just put a line here. And suppose if it tries to break this support as well, if it tries to break this lower low here, then we again just give me a sec again. We suppose it breaks here, then we give a retest again, and then we move to this level, which is our 7029 level for our targets. So being the market in a bearish situation, I would wait for this support to be broken first, and then get our first target here, and again further devise the future targets on the 7029 levels. But suppose if it breaks this barrier, which is looks very hard to break at this stage, uh, then we would certainly expect our higher targets as I discussed earlier. So this is my analysis on the Australian 200, and I hope you had a good learning here, and hope you do your own analysis as well, and see how you go with it. But overall, the market is in a pretty much bearish situation at the moment, and I wouldn't go against the trend, which is the higher side, and still wait for trades downwards. Thank you guys, and have a good week ahead. And I'll try to post some more videos on some good uh, like stock trading ideas this week. Thank you so much. Bye.